Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. I'll show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Today is the 9th of November, Tuesday 2021. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's go straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD pairs. If you look at the EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were expecting the price might going to break this resistance today, but price keep respecting it and also respecting it the previous high. So we're looking this breakout. So we'll see next upcoming days if the price is going to break this resistance. Keep taking a long trade here. If the price gonna break, then keep taking a short trade here. But we managed few PPs. As I said to you guys, from Friday our bias was long once the price developed a false breakout. Let's see here, and let me share with you the today's. We have only one analysis. That's the pretty straightforward breakout. As you can see, our bias was long. We were expecting if the price gonna break this previous high, then we're going to take a short trade here. Otherwise our priority would be the long. As you can see here, we had a beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So technically we're looking this breakout. We'll see next upcoming days. And pound dollar, we had a managed beautiful pips, and let me share with you guys. If you look at the 4-hour chart, our bias was long. We were long from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free watch. Video link is given in the video description. So we had this small breakout this morning and bang beautiful pips as soon as the price hit this previous level. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed another bearish engulfing candle. We have this breakout, bank few PPs, and let me share with you how I analyze in intraday and bank amazing profit. As you can see here, this morning we have this pullback long trade here. As mentioned here, we had this breakout. After this breakout, price nicely developed a pullback. As we can see here, nicely broken, and after the breakout, price came back, developed a pullback exactly as mentioned on the analysis. We had a beautiful pullback long trade here. And once the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So that's beautiful long trade here at the London morning session. At the New York session, we can see here the price broken this previous high, even in 4-hour in intraday. As mentioned on the analysis, that after this breakout, we need a confirmation. We had a false breakout, but for the short, we need a confirmation. As explained to my trader, look for this pullback at this level, exactly as mentioned here. You can see in the analysis, momentum was developed bearish and beautiful. We already had this bearish engulfing candle pattern and beautiful pullback short trade here. Afterwards, we announced another one through live ID commentary. Beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had amazing short trade on pound dollar and long trade in the morning. Dollar CAD, we had a breakout, but it's looked like it's developing a false breakout. We'll see. And if you look at here 4-hour chart, we were looking from Friday, as I mentioned, it looks like is a consolidation but bull flag pattern. So we also had this breakout and bang beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous high level, bang beautiful pips, and afterwards explained to my trader, let's see what sort of candle is going to perform. As you can see, we had a bullish rejection, but we had this breakout, and afterward, let me share with you the analysis, guys. You can see here we had a 2 analysis. As you can see here, this was the pretty straightforward consolidation breakout, downside channel, bull flag pattern breakout. As soon as the price hit 200 EMA previous high, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade here. Afterwards, I explained to my trader, if you don't, price doesn't develop any strong pullback at this level, then the safest trade, if the price gonna break this one, we had a small short trade here. And then most safest trade, I explained to my trader, look for another pullback exactly like a pound dollar. So let's see here. So but we have, based on this analysis, we had a very small short trade on dollar CAD. So technically we're looking here another pullback short trade here, and if you get this pullback, then possibilities. We'll let you know tomorrow. Actually, we had a quite I think there's a one high impact news tonight. We'll see how that's going to impact to the dollar CAD. All right, so The best trade we had it today morning, pound dollar, breakout long and short trade here. And another interesting trade we had at Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. If you look at the Aussie dollar, we had a double top at this level. We have a bearish engulfing candle and we have a bearish flag pattern. We had this beautiful breakout short trade bank. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain to my traders it's time to bank some profit. Okay, let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. As you can see here, based on that, I explain to my trader that the price developed a double top here, even in 4 hour, as mentioned here. Let me share with you guys. Let's just hold on. Yep, you can see here in 4 hour double top here, and in intraday we have a double top here, and that's what we explained to my trader. Price develop another, low here, recent low, so we're expecting here another pullback at this level after this breakout. As explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this 200 EMA and the EURGBP, so we're looking at pullback short here, which is priced nicely developed pullback, and another scaling trade if the price gonna break this one, which price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the low level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar. We also had a beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys again. If you look at the 4 hour double top here, price nicely respected this resistance level, and I explained to my trader if the price gonna break, then keep taking a short trade here. And if you see the intraday analysis, we had such a beautiful breakout short trade here. This was the breakout we were looking at, and some of the trades I've taken, and I also updated that analysis instantly after this breakout. Look for after this breakout, you can see here, explain to my trader, look for another pullback here. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback that give us the confirmation, and a high probability trade momentum was bearish as soon as the price hit to the major support level, as you can see in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader. Enjoy profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. The most important thing, as I keep telling you guys, that you should watch those analyses in real time and bank profit in real time. And especially for those traders who are struggling it, develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train traders through live intraday analysis in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will help you and show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.